Hi there. In this video I'm going to assemble two of these little cubes, this shape. One is in there, really dusty, that was how I got it from the store, never mind. The white version, and attach them to the wall. Hopefully they have some kind of included brackets, I hope. And yes, I didn't buy a bag for it. It shows here that you need to buy it separately. And also I found some, not cloth, but some material that makes actually something like a drawer, and you can fit it in here. They are quite cool and colorful, but we just got the bare cubes from Spaceo. Anyway, from Leroy Merlin. Anyway, let's open this thing up and get to it. This is what we have. In theory it takes 20 minutes to install, to assemble actually this thing, and probably that's true. So let's get to it. First thing, open up this. Took 4 of these things, and they need to be inserted where are actually the holes. In the holes from the plates, that will be these ones, the vertical ones. So let's hammer them down with a small hammer. Okay, so this is done on both of them, and now we assemble. Simply make sure the wooden dowels go into the holes from the plates, and in the middle we have these holes, because basically you can configure this thing with a plus in the middle of it, splitting it into 4 equal parts. But I didn't buy the plus because that would make really small equal parts, so yeah, wife didn't want that. Sides are in, also put the top on one side, and now just getting ready to make sure the dowels align with the holes, and use your hand to get it into position. And I might have done it a bit in reverse from what they are showing here, but at this point I'm starting to put in the screws in all the holes, so 4 of them on the top and 4 of them on the bottom when I flip this thing around. So let's get to it. For this they give us a little Allen key. And we are done. This thing tightened, and they tell us to put the stickers on them, but from my experience usually stickers like this don't really hold. They become unglued. So I have some plastic caps from IKEA for the inside holes, and for these ones I will buy some plastic caps and glue them in there. So I'm not going to use the thin paper ones, but yes, obviously you can use them. And we have one last screw for this thing to attach it to the wall. If it stands on some legs somewhere, but sadly mine will stay fully on the wall, so I kind of need other attachments. This is not enough. I need 2 in the corners because it will not stay on anything else. So yeah, there's that. They show you to buy them. I have no idea that I needed to buy them, so I don't have them. And now that they are assembled and even bought and installed some brackets, we realized that they just don't fit where we want them on the wall in a corner. They just don't look good. So we are going to modify them and create a custom piece of interesting furniture. And this is what we hacked the cubes into for the corner. And now with these things from IKEA, is there a part number or something in here? Should be somewhere, presumably in here. We will, yeah, this is the IKEA part number under the code. We will be filling most of the holes, at least the small ones, and the bigger ones with the paper that these guys actually provide us. But where I can use this, I'm using this. And it's finished. As you can see, with all the holes covered, looks much better. And I will show you an example. This one covered with those little plastics from IKEA, and this with the paper, and yes, I'm dirty on my hands, with the paper that this provided. And honestly, the paper is doing a pretty good job, so I don't mind it at all. And that's about it for this video. So basically there's a cube right down there with one of the sides removed and put right there, and there's another cube right there with a side removed from here basically, and the side it's missing, so that was not used. And we made the corner piece because the cubes were just not working in the corner themselves. That's about it. Hope this video gives you at least an idea, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.